Hi, welcome to Outlier Daily Report. My name is Mahesh. I'm co-founder and CEO of Outlier. A little bit about Outlier. We have built a platform which lets you know about when investors are too fearful or greedy. How do we do that? We monitor every day how investors are reacting to changing market conditions, news, price movements, etc., and the economy. We provide this data on our dashboard. The what you can see over there, data around when investors are acting too fearful or greedy. You can use this data to make decisions, make better decisions in stock market. So let's get started. It's election time. Elections are upon us, and personally, as you know, I'm out of the market right now. I'm not even touching it. Uh, Volatility is through the roof. I mean, one day you are seeing the stock market going down like 4 5%. The next day it's up again. So right now, you can't put a finger on it how the stock market is gonna move every day. So personally, to me, I mean, I'm trying to be out of the market, and I have this beautiful rules that I follow, and in fact I have made that available on our Discord server. But one of the rule is like look into the index futures every morning before market open, and VIX. Uh, from last few days, scenario number one and scenario number four, they're like going back and forth between them. Yesterday, the index futures were down. VIX was way up, like 8, 9, 10% up. You saw the market was almost crashing down. Today, it's the opposite, right? It's the opposite. Your futures are up, the VIX is up. The VIX is down, right? And when that happens, you will see a big bump, in some of those stocks. I mean, this information is easily available. Like you can check some of these websites like Market Watch. There are a bunch of other websites where you can see this information. Pretty easy to follow, at least to my day trading friends who trade, based off of how the market is going to react for the day in and out. I'm personally not doing any day trading right now. Hopefully in future, once I get some time, I can benefit from some of these days, not every day, but some of these days, like today, like yesterday, right? So let's look into the news quickly. And again, I don't have a lot of analysis today on the sector side. I'm just gonna kind of like quickly sift through it, um, as I'm not even looking at it right now. Honestly, I'm just looking at the news right now. The As I said yesterday, everybody is throwing crap at each other. Democrats are throwing crap at Republicans. Republicans are throwing crap. So it's kind of like as usual, few days before elections. So hopefully you all go out and vote, and then make your uh, you know decision, make your choice out there. So I'm gonna do that as well. So when we look into what's happening around us, nothing has changed. As usual, current wars are going on. I hope after this election we see some respite, we see some slowness, we see some peace coming in these part of the world, because it's really impacting everybody. Not just, of course, it's impacting those regions, but it's impacting everybody. I hope both sides find peace, and I think that's probably going to happen after the election. Right now, it's just not stopping at all. Uh, what I'm seeing, one of the things that I was looking forward to was jobs report this morning, and they came really bad. Um, hey, thanks for joining. So the jobs report came really bad, like 12,000 jobs added in month of October. the expectation, I mean, if I'm not wrong, was closer to 20 times than that. I mean, right now you can just blame it on strikes, you can blame it on, weather. But really, in my opinion, if you want to create more jobs, you need to change the policies. And the way the current policies are, the way the current spending is, and uh, taxes, like, you want to create jobs, you want to give businesses breathing room so that they can create bigger businesses, they can create more jobs. So I think, in my opinion, um, increasing taxes probably is not the answer. In fact, tax cuts are probably a good way to create more jobs. Here, you don't want businesses to go out of here. So that's kind of like my opinion on it. You can look into some of the earnings coming out. ExxonMobil, they their stock is going up. They had earning beat, dividend hike, and I believe there were a few more earnings that came yesterday. One was Uber, a bit disappointing results. The stock was down yesterday. It is up today, and I believe few more came out. Like Apple was, I believe it was yesterday or day before yesterday. Uh, and again, not very encouraging results right now. I think pretty much around their business was slowing down in China, so that may have impacted them. Uh, so right now, it's nothing, in my opinion. Just looking around, stay out of the market. I briefly looked into the market breadth data, and again, doesn't matter where it is at. It just because of we have elections on upon us, so you just want to be out of the market right now. Don't risk it. In my personal opinion, get back in after elections are over, once we know which direction everybody is moving. So that's probably I'm gonna get back in after that. Plus, we have a very big release that I am working on personally, which is keeping me busy. And then we are planning to make it live in the week of that Veterans Day week. We are planning to go live around that time, and I will be showing that new demo to you all. Those who have not secured their annual pass, I would highly encourage you to do so. Prices are going up, so it's probably the last few days before it's gonna go up. That's all for today, and I will see you all on Monday. And thanks for joining.